What's going on, boys and girls? I wasn't going to make a video today, but I found these pork steaks in the grocery store when I was there, and they were 2 for 1. I don't know if you've ever cooked pork steaks before, but they're really good steaks. They're really good, a source of protein. And this is such an easy recipe. I've already started it, and I'm going to show you how really simple it is and how quick it is, and you can try it at home if you want to. Like I said, y'all, this is a very simple recipe. We got 4 pork steaks, about ½ inch piece. I'm only using Creole, the Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning. If you have that near you, buy you some. If not, you can just use regular seasoning salt. I've got a whole onion sliced up right here into 4, and we're just going to put a little bit of these onions on each slice here. Again, season it on both sides with the Tony Chachere's. And just place your onions on the meat directly. This is real simple, y'all. Again, now you can doll this up however you want to doll it up. You don't have to do it this way. This is just the way I'm doing mine. So you got to make it your own. But you can use that whole onion here. And this onion flavor will sink into this meat. You got your oven set at about 400 degrees. And again, you don't have to use the whole onion, but I'm going to use the whole onion just because I like onions. And put it up there like that. Again, season on both sides. Spray the pan down. Put it in the oven 400 degrees, and then we'll see what we get. Alrighty, y'all. After about 25 minutes, this is what you get. 25 minutes at 400 degrees. You want your minimal internal temperature to be 160 degrees. And these are about 177, so even at 25 minutes, it's cooked thoroughly. And you want pork to be cooked thoroughly. Yeah, you can have a little bit of not really rare pork, but you can have it like a medium well. I don't like to see any pink in mine, but there you go, guys. You fix it with whatever vegetable you want. I'm just going to have me a sandwich tonight. Throw a couple of eggs up there, and this is going to be it. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's very short, very easy, something you can do in less than 30 minutes. Y'all have a great one. Peace. All right, just not to keep you in the dark, this is what I'm going to do. I took a couple of eggs and I scrambled them. Just kind of broke them up and scrambled them a little bit. We're going to fry them a little bit. Got some toast over here in the toaster oven. Sometimes I'll throw a little bit of cheese on it as well too. And see, I haven't even flipped this yet, guys. I've just got this cooking on medium. It's not sticking to the pan. You got to have your good old cast iron pan. And this is kind of like a little cheese omelet here. We'll flip it here. Kind of cooked a little bit too much there. And we'll put this beside our steak. Put this on our toast. All right, before some of y'all even ask, I know somebody's saying, how we know that steak was done? I'm going to cut it here. Let you see what it looks like. Nice, and that's almost a medium well done right there. So that's good. We're gonna make our sandwich and we're gonna eat. All right, we'll take our toast. We'll add us a little bit of mustard mayo here. And that's a combination of mustard and mayonnaise. Really good. Take us a little tad bit of ketchup here. It's almost out. Take our egg, put it here. Put those onions up there. And what I'll do is I'll put the part we cut off here. We'll put that like that. Wrap it up. Like that, guys. And what I'll do, kind of smash it down a little bit, take our knife, cut all the way through it. See, that way you've got manageable pieces. And there you go, guys. It's going to be a good little dinner here. Again, it took less than 30 minutes. Enjoy. There we have it.